There's no better way to live intentionally than to create your day ahead of time. See and feel how you'd like things to go. Every morning after waking, I sit and close my eyes for an hour, and I practice seeing and feeling my future into the now. As I get closer to the end of this mental rehearsal, I imagine how my morning will go, how my day will go, and how my interactions will go. I create images of people smiling and create feelings of thankfulness for the day to have gone well. Intentionally creating gratitude for the future in the now is to not only co-create reality with the universe, but immersing yourself in the feeling of gratitude is pure bliss and good for your health. Feeling gratitude to the point of becoming it allows you to more intimately be present with reality while eyes are open. Practicing living in a state of gratitude makes the existence of life itself more precious, enriching, and magical. Regularly practicing setting the intention of gratitude for the good things you have in your life, along with how you want your daily tasks to go ahead of time, adds a beautiful dimension to your everyday, especially when your day goes just as good, if not better than you imagined. Having set the tone for your day with gratitude and intention, it's now time to put those intentions into practice. Be mindful of each action you take, making sure they align with the vision you've set for your day. Remember, every step you take is a step towards making your day as beautiful as you envisioned it. If you found this video helpful and wish to explore more about intentional living, don't forget to hit the like button. We continually share insights and strategies on living a more purposeful and fulfilling life, so do consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more enriching content on intentional living. Your journey towards a more intentional life continues with us.